let's say the lock, and she moving in foot, and then she coming up. Get ready? Rolling. Action.
Shalom, you okay?
Cut. Nice. Nice.
The innocence is sweet.
Oh, yeah, yeah. See that? Rolling and action.
Oh, yeah, man. Good man. What is the way I got to do again?
Cut. That is it.
Yay!
I want you to place, you're going to do arm push-ups on it. You see that? Hands on each side, and I want you to push up 5 times on it.
I'm going to put the phone.
Hmm?
The phone can kind of.
Yeah, right.
That's how the phone probably can come with it.
Right. Rolling.
Wait a minute, again.
Put both hands on the chair.
Well, there's some arm
And do
push-ups.
some
Okay.
arm
We're going to put
push-ups.
both hands on the chair. Alright.
And do 5 of them for me. Say the 1, 2, or 3. Whatever you can do. Do the 5 and sit on back. Rolling. And action.
Alright, I want you to do some arm push-ups on me. Give me a minute. Let me put the phone over here. And so you're going to put your arms on the chair. And I want you to do some arm push-ups on me. You're going to push yourself up. Let's start at 5.
So this is go record.
Cut. Yeah, move forward. So this is where that's it.
Yeah, man.
And then, yeah. 1,
Nah, see, it's up
2,
there.
3, 4, 5. Yeah, ready?
Ready?
You start lean forward.
But I appreciate coming down with my foot.
You start lean forward. Rolling. Action.
Ras. 2. 3. Hold him.
You can do it, Sherlock.
Alright, banana. 5. Oh, go on now. Hey, that's it. Okay.
You know this.
Yo, you did that now.
Regard now.
That.
Very good.
Yeah, go to that over.
Very good. Now, put up them here. Put him foot them. Under him. Yeah, push him foot them under him. And I tell him so when you do this time now, you're asking for concentrate and feel, put the pressure on him foot. You might do this, and with Sisse, it's a struggle for you. And you say concentrate. So you go close up on your face, and your eyes and close and notice, and just concentrate. You go to the base and foot, and see the little shaking happen again. Alright? So
Don't know what the other side good.
Very good.
very good.
And then move this up from them.
Yeah.
Push up on
Yeah, man. So that can be 1.
Yeah.
Rolling.
You know what? I'm going for a push up. It's not only for activity.
Right.
So it's a flow.
Rolling. Action.
Very good.
Cut. Stay where you are.
Yeah, so now you can give the
No,
instruction.
no, why quick at the
No,
face,
over
so,
shoulder.
but.
Over here, shoulder.
Yeah.
What instruction?
See what I said? You're going to do this one more time. But now I want you to apply the pressure to your foot. So you push up. No, you're not pushing up enough. You're not helping
So
him.
you keep him right there.
No.
I'm going to do this.
You're going to do this one more time.
Oh, yeah.
But it's almost like a whisper in your ears. Like a part of it. Yeah? Rolling. Action.
You're going to do this one more time. Because I want to apply the pressure to your legs. Okay?
Stay. You're going to see I move now. You're stepping back and watching me. You don't start same time.
I'm
Rolling.
going to step back.
You want to step back.
Okay.
Rolling. Action.
Here goes nothing.
Cut. Stay where you're there. Her face. Looking at him. Concentrate. Rolling. Action.
Concentration. Concentrate.
Cut. Eyes closed. Your eyes closed. Tight. You see the wrinkle in that around your eyes. Rolling. Action. Cut. Foot. Shake your foot. Then make a foot now. Rolling. Action. Cut. Sheldon, I'm going to hold you and put you into a standing position. Concentrate. So you're going now and you're going to hug him and hold him up like this. So, I mean, don't put no weight on him, just take your time and straighten up. Rolling. Yeah. Now, Sheldon, I'm going to hug you and put you in a standing position.
And shall walk
Concentrate, yeah.
Walk over.
Yeah.
I guess it's now one shot.
Yeah.
Then we can go
Yeah.
straight.
Yeah.
And cut.
Rolling. Action.
Sheldon, I'm going to hold you and put you into a standing position. Concentrate.
Let me see when I'm tired, man. You jump on you know. Hold me, I say.
Yes.
Cut. Stay right here.
Close
Close your eyes. No man, let sing there. And then you have to tell him, try and straighten up. And you have to ease up the whole of yourself, so just your face and roll I say. Straighten up yourself and say something. Till you're just this way I say.
Because throw him a soft
Yeah.
and say, I won't let you go.
Oh no?
I won't let you go.
Right. Rolling. Action.
You're going to try to straighten up.
You sure, man?
I won't let you go.
Brother, you open your eye far too early. But open your eye
No,
yet.
if it's
All of
still-
that to happen, your eyes still closed. Brother, tight.
Jason, me go up my eye.
Me no more tell you when. More tell you when.
Oh,
Just all when the straighten up happen, you stay so. Rolling. Action.
I'm going to straighten you.
You sure, man?
I won't let you go.
Look like you're still holding a little bit. Ready? Rolling. Concentrate. Shut down. Rolling.
Concentration.
Again.
Concentrate.
Sorry. That's a whole one thing.
Concentration.
Yeah. Same thing. After action. Rolling. Action.
Concentrate, Sheldon.